First allow me to thank you for the time given to me, and the second time let me introduce myself. My name is Kartini from IAIN Syekh Nurjati, Cirebon. On this occasion, I will present a paper entitled Digital Competence of Science Teachers in Terms of Gender, Length of Work, and School Level of Teaching. A challenge in the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era is building skills and mentality to master competitive advantage. An educator should acquire technological mastery or digital competence to narrow gaps in rapid information development. The education system digitalization requires teachers to have an extra capability, namely digital competence. Digital competence is an aspect that can explain various use of high-level digital technologies that contribute to the more critical use of digital technologies. Digital competence refers to the ability to use information technology for public benefit. Students need competent and confident teachers who could utilize digital technology. Unfortunately, many teachers still have low digital competence. Digital competence is a factor that supports the implementation of a quality education learning process, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. DICOM-IDU provides a categorization framework to identify educational digital competence. 1. Information and data literacy. 2. Komunikasi and collaboration. 3. Digital content creation. 4. Security, and 5. Problem solving. Garson has discovered the teachers still have a low level of digital content creation of the 5 digital competence. And Peterson states that a teacher with good digital competence will positively impact their student learning outcome. This research aims to investigate two formulations are: what is teacher opinion about their digital competence in terms of gender, length of service, and school level of teaching? And what is teacher opinion about various digital competence in terms of gender, length of work, and school level of teaching? The study employed a cross-sectional survey model. The survey involved as many as 105 science teachers from the province of West Java, Indonesia, various level of school years of service, and gender. School level in Indonesia are grouped into secondary school including SMP, about 47 teachers, and MTS, 25 teachers, while senior high school include SMA, 22 teachers, and MA, 11 teachers. Respondents were categorized according to years of service covering 1 until 5 years, about 31 teachers, and 6 until 10 years, about 15 teachers, and more than 10 years, about 59 teachers. Respondents were categorized based on gender including male, 27 teachers, and female, 78 teachers. The study used a descriptive analysis based on the distribution of a questionnaire. The result of the equalization of digital competence are calculated for the mean and standard deviation for each of the specific factor using ANOVA formula. This digital competence dimension of a teacher: information and data literacy with mean 17.1 and standard deviation 2.12. Komunikasi and collaboration with mean 17.02 and standard deviation 2.13. Digital content creation with mean 12.43 and standard deviation 1.7. And security with mean 19.4 and standard deviation 2.6, and problem solving with mean 15.8 and standard deviation to 2.1. The gender factor in this study shows that the science teachers do not show different digital competence. Moreover, the male and female teacher have similar score and the 5 digital competence aspect. The average score of their communication and collaboration competence are identical, so their skills are relatively the same. However, male teachers have better problem solving competence than female teachers. The length of work of a science teacher does not show different in digital competence. The descriptive analysis shows the science teacher have good skills in the dimension of information and literacy. The teacher who have worked for 1 until 5 years have a better information skill as well as communication and collaboration competence than those who have worked for 5 until 10 years or more. The teacher have a low average score in the digital content creation dimension. The length of work factor has triggered the teacher to perceive that they have inadequate expertise to develop the latest digital content. The factor of school level of teaching also show significantly different score of digital competence. The 5 digital competence dimensions of the teacher were calculated by considering the school level of teaching. The results show several different. First, Islamic senior high school teachers have the best communication and collaboration dimension than junior high school teacher. Meanwhile, Islamic senior high school teachers have better communication and collaboration than Islamic junior high school teachers. Finally, senior high school teachers have better communication and collaboration than junior high school teachers. The result of this study are the science teachers have low digital competence in security and digital content creation. 2. The factor of gender and length of work show the teacher do not have different digital competence. And the factor of school level of teaching shows the teacher have different digital competence. Thank you.